Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to set up a Lumeo Ready Gateway. Lumeo Ready Gateways come in many different kinds of products. Today I have here with me a Jetson NVIDIA NCX1, which is a piece of hardware that is designed to run machine learning pipelines. Be sure to have your DC power adapter as well as your Ethernet cable plugged into your home network, and then from there you can start discovering your gateway on your network. Make sure that your network allows for DHCP assignments, otherwise you will not be able to see your gateway when you look at it in Discovery. Now that you've set up the gateway, let's head over to the Files tab for Windows. It should be in a similar place on Mac OS. You're looking for the network. So if I just head in and click on File, then I should be able to scroll down and press on Network. And it'll show a few different devices here, but the main one we're worried about is the Lumeo NCX1 that we just plugged in. So we click on here and it'll take you to a page on the web. Sometimes this page might be blocked, so if you click advance and then just push through to the 192.168 IP address, then you should be able to access it. Now let's press go to HTTPS, and as you can see it's blocked now. If I go into advanced and then click on proceed, we should be able to bypass that. Now I've already set up my gateway login. You'll need to create the password and then type it in here once you're done. So let's sign in real quick. And now you've logged into your gateway, and here in this gateway tab you can see the different workspaces that your gateway is connected to. And as you can see, since it's a new device, we need to connect it to a workspace. Let's click on here to set it to a new workspace. Now we've got the name of the gateway. We can just leave that as it is. We're going to need to input the workspace ID, which can be found in the Lumeo console, as well as the access token. To find the workspace ID and create an access token, we're going to want to head over into the Lumeo console and click on the settings tab. And then from there, you're going to want to check the bottom left-hand corner and click on the workspace ID to copy that over. And then you'll need to paste it in here. And then to create an access token, you have two options to pick between: the application and the gateway provisioning. We're going to be doing gateway provisioning as we're setting up a new gateway. Now let's set the expiration. We can go from anywhere from 2 hours to no expiration. So I think we'll go with 2 hours, and we'll call it Lumeo Gateway Setup. And then press Generate Token. And now you'll see here the access token, and you can add it to your clipboard, or you can just copy it and then paste. And now once you click this connect button, it should just take a few minutes for the gateway to be connected to your workspace. And you'll see a little logo in the bottom right. Now that you've set up your gateway, let's check out some of the features on the web interface. Here's the network configuration. So if you were interested in manually assigning or disabling your IP address, you can head into Edit and click here and either disable it or manually change it. This works for either Ethernet connection, as the NCX1 has two Ethernet connections. As you can see here, we've got ETH1 and ETH0. Either one of these can be edited from this interface. Moving on to the status section, we can see gateway activity as well as a few other services that I will show how to use when we get to the settings tab. This includes the Tailscale VPN as well as any SSH services running, and then also the total available disk space. Now in the logs tab, you can see various prompts as well as any issues that might arise, so you can use this tab to troubleshoot any problems that you see on your gateway. Lastly, there is the settings tab, where you can see systems information as well as various different settings if you want to update it, and also the third-party platforms that integrate with Lumeo. If you want to, you can add Tailscale, which is a VPN service that will allow you to access your Lumeo Ready Gateway from anywhere. All you need to do is just make sure that you have a Tailscale account, and then head into this link we just copy and paste it right there. And then you'll be able to see your keys, and all you need to do is just press generate auth key, type in the name, and then let's go with Lumeo Gateway. Copy that over and paste it in. And then if you want to, you can enable Tailscale SSH as well. Moving on, we also have Oxon, as well as AWS Greengrass if you want to do enterprise management. If you're interested, I will leave the links to both of these and how to set them up in the description. And yeah, that should be everything. Now you know how to set up a Lumeo Ready Gateway, as well as the various features and analytics included. Thanks for watching. Click on any of the videos on the screen if you want to learn more about AI video analytics in the Lumeo platform. Have a good day.